Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Elisa Maria Designs. I am Elisa Maria, and I am getting all cozy with my coffee, getting ready to do my next session with Beauty in Violet, which is Confetti. When I noticed that two of my drill containers were on my desk, and I'm like, why are they on my desk? Oh, you mix these two colors together. I'm glad I got my coffee first. So I remember telling you guys last week what to do when you mix two colors together. Well, for one thing, make sure you do it big. Like, could these colors be any more similar than they are? So what I am doing here is I have a flat surface. This is just something, I don't know, I picked this up somewhere, a piece of marble from somewhere, probably a dollar store or a thrift store or something. Has a little height to it. I took a piece of release paper and I split it in half, but you can tell that this is one that I was probably using diamond painting, and it's good that it's folded because you're going to want those creases in there. So I'm putting one on one side, one on the other. I'm going to put my piece of marble on top. Okay. Yeah, let me just make sure I got them underneath there. Let me make sure I got good light here. Oh, I was so ready. I was like, Tuesday's fast becoming my favorite day because I love to do my confetti until, it's Wednesday and I'm doing Woman in Gold, or Thursday when I'm doing Rico. Anyway, I'm going to use my aligner, pull my drills neatly over, and I'm going to pour them out very gently because, they like to run away. And I would say, I think I'm pretty set up for this. Now, if I was alone, I'd have some music on. I'd be listening to something in the background. Now, I have a few strays in here too. Probably I was picking up stray drills from my desk and they got mixed up in here. So I'm going to get them out first. I don't need any more in here than I have already. Let me use my little diamond dotter here. So you don't belong, and you don't belong, and you don't belong. Just three, not too bad. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my aligner and I'm going to take my time. Oh, this one's not too good. This one's trashy. Isn't that weird how they like curl up like that in the back? This is Dreamer Design. I've broken one here. This is Dreamer Design, and I don't have any problem with Dreamer Design. Especially with lighter color drills. And I think that lighter color drills are not manufactured as much as dark color drills. That's why the black ones are so trashy. So did you ever notice how your light color drills just don't give you, any problems? Here's another stray. I'll get you out of here. So I'm going to begin to separate these out. Like I said, make sure you have some good light. I'm glad, there's some more trashy drills. I'm glad that I have my coffee. If I was alone, I'd put some music on, or be listening to a podcast, or here's another one. This is from Dreamer Design Custom. Okay. So, just take your time. I once mixed together black and brown and navy blue. Oh, that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. So this one, and then that's all one color, and this is like the darker color. This is the darker one. This is the lighter one. And this is what you're going to do. You're going to sit here and you're going to sort, going from right to left. Now, there's usually one. It seems like I only have a few of the darker ones in here. I probably maybe caught myself. I actually said it out loud. I actually said, oh, so no wonder I haven't mixed these drills up yet. And ever since I said that, I've mixed them all together. I've had like 3 times that I've mixed drills together. And then just take a little bit more. Nope, you go there, you go here. And then you'll get the hang of it. Your eyes will adjust. and you'll be able to sort your drills. And then after I'm done this, I'm so anxious to begin Beauty in Violet. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Don't do that, because you'll just mix them up again. Because we are into the flesh tone. I have a few more trashy drills there. We're into the flesh tones, and we're into her face, and I think that that's a whole different type of, well, I don't think, I know, it's a whole different type of shading, and interesting, you know. We've done the darker colors like the blacks and the black browns and the the accent colors that come in for our confetti, and now we're working on these flesh tones. Did I just go the wrong way with them? Now you will get like a little, colorblind. So being that I have all these here that are correct, I'm going to just push them over the side. And I'm going to get my correct container. You are here and you are here. And I'm going to pick them up and, well, put them away. You know the drill. I could have waited, but I just feel like I'm going like a little. I'll throw you right in there, and then I'll put you in the drill container. It seems like I only have a few of these darker ones that really got mixed up in there. I probably could have picked them out. I probably just could have put them in the tray and picked them out and been like, okay, they're separated now, But then I think when you do that and you don't do it fully, what happens is you're using the color. Like I would be using this color, and maybe there's a few here, but then they start to even out, and then you start to wonder, well, what color was which is why I have started to keep a color log in my book. As I use these colors, I'll take a few seconds just to pull a few out and be like, okay, let me glue these in my book, in my journal that I have, because I want to get these. I don't want to have that moment, because sometimes I do that. I will mix things up and be like, I don't know what color is which. What color is which? Especially colors like this that are so closely related to one another. I think we're getting down to the darker ones now, where I'm seeing more of a darker color than a lighter color. Not that many. There's not that many. Like, this is all that's in this bunch compared to these. But you get the idea. And so what I would say is, I was very eager to start my day and not be doing this, that's for sure. Very eager to start my diamond painting and start filming. I missed yesterday with my members. Piece of foofy here, because I lost my voice. My husband had a couple of gigs this weekend, and I was out with him, and we were having a great time. We were having a good time. Very proud of him, and very proud of the job that he did. He sang with 2 different bands, and it's not easy, especially when you're with a band. It's one thing. When you're with an orchestra, it's another. And he did a really good job, and singing with them both for the first time. So I was so proud of him. I must have been doing a lot of screaming. And I lost my voice. So if I were you, I would just get myself, listen to something. Take this as a mindful kind of moment, like a little self-care moment, that I'm going to just sit here and separate my drills and drink my coffee, sip my tea, whatever, or maybe something else that you're sipping on. And, just take your time with it. Just like I said, just take it as a pause, a diamond painting pause. It's all good, It's a great exercise. Or here's one for you. If your kids are old enough, You can give this to them. I remember I used to give my kid rubber bands and like, oh, can you sharpen all these pencils for me? It's a big help for mommy. Oh yeah, sure. Because kids love to help. And especially they see you doing something like this. You know, they don't understand that it's an adult craft. They just want to do it. I just want to do it. I want to help. Or, you know, and like I said before, diamond painters have a great sense of humor, because I have seen some catastrophes where you know, kids have gotten into the diamond paintings, and, you know, the moms are just like, well, guess I'm done with this canvas. Yeah, but you can give this to them to do. Let them sort this out, give them this little tool, tell them how important it is, because it is. And they love being able to help. Yeah, like I said, I gave my kid sharpen my pencils for me. Can you do that for mommy? Can you, you know, roll all these rubber bands up in a ball? Can you sort my paper clips? After I made a chain of them, you know, just to keep him occupied. You know, we're creative individuals, and, you know, sometimes, you know, we have to, you know, come up with ways that we can do, you know, have a moment to ourselves, but also, you know, keep an eye on the kiddos. My son used to love to be in the kitchen with me. He used to love to be able to bake. You know, I didn't have much money when I was raising him, and I had to make everything stretch. And, you know, he used to want to, you know, do these, you know, activities that I just didn't have the cash for. And I used to have to try and, like, you know, come up with things and invite his friends over. Like, we're going to make cupcakes. Would you want to come over and decorate them? You know, that was like an easy, an inexpensive something that I could have did with him. And, you know, we got to get creative. Nope, you go here. I'm coming down to the darker ones here. Gosh, two salmon colors. Could you, I don't know, it was worse. I still think the black, brown, and blue were worse. There. You're all the same. There. Gosh, as I'm coming, you would think it would be getting easier, you know, as, you know, there's just a few of these darker ones, very few. You're dark. You guys are all, it's impossible. I'm going to stop telling people my schedule. One moment. Well, I never did answer it. I just continued to sort here. I know, so bad, right? But, you know, I'm going to stop telling people my schedule. I don't know why they feel the need to, like, call you when you tell them you're busy. Anyway, this is why you need moments like this. This is exactly why. And here we go. I believe I got them all, and I have some stuck in those little crannies there. I'm not going to torture you guys with that. And I had a few light ones fall off the side here. I mean, really, yeah, I dumped those in. Thank God there was only a few. Where's my sort wick? If you don't know this tip, use your fingertip moisturizer. There you go. Pick them up very easily. And let me get this. You are the right one, right? Yes. Just double checking. Kind of get paranoid. Okay. They look like mostly light ones anyway in there. And then let's get you. I don't know why I put these ones in the tray. And then you have that little crease in your release paper. You just put these back in. Everybody's back home where they belong. Didn't take too long. How long was that? 15 minutes. Not bad. And that's my little tip, my little diamond painting pause to, you know, everybody's back. I can get rid of this tray. I got something off my desk. I'm very happy. I will see you in a moment. We're going into Beauty and Violet, and we're going to have another diamond painting session and talking about confetti, how to conquer it and make it fun. Bye.